John and John here with Masters of Smoke. If you want to spice things up, do a low country seafood boil
and steamed crab legs.
Come on,
That's what's up.
spice it up, baby. Let's go.
John here with Masters of Smoke. Today we're cooking with Masterbuilt, doing a low country seafood boil. I love this recipe, and we're using the Masterbuilt thermostatically controlled fryer, boiler, and steamer. Instead of putting in oil, we're going to put in 4 gallons of water to the max fill line and bring it to a rolling boil. Takes about 15 to 18 minutes. Add your choice of 1 cup of Cajun Seasoning or 3 to 4 bags of your favorite crab oil bag. This gives the water a great Cajun flavor. For the first ingredient to go in, red potatoes. 4 to 5 pounds of red potatoes boil for 12 minutes. Then add in your short ears of corn, 12 to 16, boil for 9 additional minutes. Then add in your favorite pre-cooked smoked sausage, cut into about 1-inch slices. Add that to the potatoes and the corn for an additional 9 minutes. We're now 30 minutes into the potatoes, corn, and sausage. The last ingredient is shrimp. A medium to large size shrimp. I recommend an easy peel so that when you serve, they're super easy to eat. You're gonna boil those for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how large the shrimp is.
As you can see, we've got 2 gallons of water to the min fill line, brought it to a boil in about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna put in 2 ounces of liquid crab oil, 2 tablespoons of salt. That gives that water and that steam really good aroma. We're going to clip the crab legs on the top clip, suspended above the water. Put on the lid. We will see you in about 15 minutes. Always recommend wearing some protective gloves when you're taking this out because of the steam. Masterbuilt has done it again. Snow crab legs.
This recipe is done. Again, 35 total minutes. We're gonna remove the lid and hang it on the side of the fryer. Take the basket with the double lifting handle system, hook it on the top of the fryer to let the excess water drain back into the container. Pull it out, serve it in the center of your table on newspaper or in a large tray, and get ready for a grab and growl.